she above the law?
Maybe the school sent our Emeka to forget our tradition.
Uzo.
Maybe.
Uzo.
Maybe.
But how can we contribute money and send Adak to school? She come back to this place and started toiling with our tradition. Eh?
I'm surprised.
This thing is getting out of hand though. I am not happy again. I am not happy.
Eh? We must do something about it.
Must do something about it though.
Serious.
See, the Igwe and the Council of Elders must do something about this.
Exactly.
They must do something about this.
Exactly.
Yes.
Eh?
You are right.
And I'll be beneath that for.
You are right.
You are very right. We must do something about it.
We must do something.
They must.
What is it?
Hi.
My money.
So, Mama, I'll be back as soon as I'm done with the surgery.
May the God see you through.
Amen, Mama. And you, my prince, you owe me a tour around the village.
I'll be so delighted to show you around anytime.
Sure. I won't forget that, though. Emeka, make sure you take your drugs the way you're instructed to, okay? Don't. Oh, miss them.
Bye-bye.
Oh, my son. Bye-bye.
Eyes of the gods, welcome once again.
Thanks, Your Majesty. May the wisdom of the gods never depart from you.
He said, eyes of the gods. Have the gods finally chosen a date?
Yes, the gods have chosen a date. The third market day of the second full moon. On that day, every clan must present a man to represent them. And on that day, the gods will make a choice of a man on her behalf.
Ezemo, the gods will choose by themselves?
Yes, the gods will choose by themselves. That is the wish of the gods.
Oh, my dear, I can see you're enjoying yourself.
Yeah.
I am so sorry for keeping you waiting. I was in a meeting with Igwe and the elders.
It's okay. I had the date for me to choose a man has been fixed.
Yes. So where you went to, was it successful?
Yeah. It's okay. The surgery went fine.
That's very good.
She's okay now.
That's good. That's good. So if you're true, let us go.
Sure. I'm good. Thank you.
Don't tell me that you want to go and help him out again.
Of course I want to. You don't expect me to leave him there, do you? That's not nice. Hey. Hello? Hey! Excuse me. Hello? Why are you sleeping here? Of all places to be in, why here?
I'll go. I'm so hungry.
Oh, no.
I have nothing to eat.
I'm so hungry.
Wow.
I have nothing to eat. So instead of dying alone in my house,
when I die,
I decided to come to the public and die. At least when I die, they will see my body and bury me.
Mom, I'm so sorry about that. My mom told me what you were accused of. Are you guilty of it?
Yes, he did it. 2 of the palace guard caught him red-handed.
Oh, please, my prince. I didn't ask for your opinion here. Besides, you mean to tell me you believe the 2 or more witnesses to be the truth?
So you know of it?
Oh, gosh. You and I know very well that witnesses could be bribed to bear false witnesses against someone. You know that. Hey, tell me, it's better I hear from the horse's mouth. Did you actually do it? You see?
I did not.
I swear on my parents' grave.
You see?
I did not do it.
Liar.
Liar! Oh my God, my prince! How could you do this?
So you dare lie against the palace guard, right?
Oh my goodness. We live in a global age, for crying out loud, my prince. You don't have to treat him like this. Gosh. Come, get up. Get up, okay? Come with me. Come. Oh, sorry.
What are you doing?
You know exactly what I'm doing. At least allow justice to be done. Gosh. You just take matters into your hands like that. That is not right. Come with me. Oh my God, sorry. Come help me. Get up, just try. Just try, okay? Sorry. Ah, God. Sorry, just try. Just please. It's okay. It's okay, sorry. Really? You just want to stand there to watch me, really? Wow.
So Igwe, but try and find out what is wrong with the prince.
Okay then. However it goes, please let me know.
I will do that. Igwe, I have to be on my way. Hey.
Go and call me the prince.
So you mean to tell me that Ugochi abandoned you all because she was scared that people would treat her the same way they treated you?
I didn't ask her to leave me. I only told her to stop seeing me, but she refused. And I guess her father must have forced her to of Etiti.
What of Ngozi? Do you still see her? It's okay. It's okay if you're not comfortable to talk about this now. I'll let you be. I'll be right back.
What is it, my son? What is eating you up? What is wrong? Why are you like this?
Father, it's high time someone talks some sense into Adak and let her know that I'm the prince of this land and deserve some respect, even from her.
Good. But let me tell you some truth, my son. You were wrong with the actions you exhibited before her. Yes, you were wrong. For a girl you are trying to win her heart, your actions were wrong before her. Besides, she has traveled to many more places than any of us in Etiti land. So her way of life is bound to be different.
Here, have this. Just manage it. It will last you for a while. But if you still need any other thing, do let me know. Okay?
Listen, I suggest you drop your pride as the prince and shoot for love. Concentrate on winning her heart.
Are you saying I should forget about our tradition just because I want to win her heart?
Don't get me wrong, my son. I'm just saying you should understand her reasons for her actions. That young girl takes after her parents. Her parents are the most loving people I have ever met in Etiti land. So, I advise you to concentrate on winning her love. And then as for her involvement with Emeka, leave that to the elders and myself to take care of.
I don't understand why you want him to swear before Arosiagba. When two of the palace guards caught him red-handed, that very day.
Enough of this lecture of this anachronistic tradition. Emeka is innocent, and you know very well. I am going to prove it.
You're going to prove it. Don't go and do something stupid, though. Don't go and do something that will fall on your head tomorrow. If you do anything stupid, you carry it on your head, though. Here. No, I'm not communistic. You want to show me that you went there to read medicine? You think it's only that knows how to read medicine? I can read medicine too. Rubbish. Each of we bear them I wanna die. In which I went to nonsense. Anachronistic and kanda. What a nonsensical nonsense. Rubbish. In house room Oyibo. Nonsense.
Now listen to me carefully, Ihoma. Go and caution your daughter. We did not send her to the university to come and change the traditions of our forefathers. Tell her to stay away from that cursed boy called Emeka, or she will have us to continue.
Hey, I'm sorry, Ibi. Once I get back, I'll sit her down and talk to her.
You better do, Ihoma. Tell her that no one is above punishment. Don't you know that such things can attract Ibi from the gods? Swollen scrotum. And you can imagine what such will be when he's a female.
A word is enough for the wise. That is what our people say. Now go back and go and do what we have told you.
We didn't train her in school to come and start.
I thought she was coming for us.
Adako, honestly, you have to stop coming to see me.
Oh,
please.
Are you scared that I might share in your fate?
Yes, that is what I'm scared of. See, you're a good woman. Soon they might turn on you.
Just give me a break, if that's what you're saying. So who's going to lose? Who? For crying out loud, they are wise enough not to ever think a thing like that. Besides, I promised you justice, and that's exactly what I would give to you. Tell me, what are you doing today?
Nothing. Why do you ask?
Come, let's take a walk. Come. Come. You see?
Okay,
it's
you
not
take
hard.
me. You take me.
Okay.
You take me.
Why? Oh, Emeka.
Nice.
Emeka, you're so funny. Yeah. That's it. Yes.
How do you like our village?
It's okay. Yeah, I've missed a whole lot in the village. Missed the...
We have a bit of plantain,
greenery, yeah.
A lot of things, a lot of fruits.
I know. I missed a lot.
Yeah. How was the...
My dear, you know, it's just there. But you know, with the weather and everything, home is always home. You always want that feel, that village feeling, you know. Yeah, you just want to experience it all. Take it all in, you know?
I can imagine.
Yeah.
My prince, I didn't know you were around.
It's all right, Mama. I just want to wait for Adako to come back.
Hey, she should be at...
Mama, I've seen her. but she seems to be very busy. That's why I left her without her knowing that I was there.
Okay. I'm coming.
They're welcome.
Very nice.
They're welcome. Why don't you bear your shame alone? Eh? Tell me. Why will you rub your shame with another person?
Hey, Mr. Man. The next time you try this rubbish you just did, I will tell you that I am not as primitive as the rest of you in this village.
Hey.
Okay? Emeka, let's go.
Imagine Adako. Did you hear Adako? Adako is not calling us names. After we finish with Adako is not calling us names. That we are primitive. Come. Yeah. Why are you laughing?
No.
We are talking of the abomination she has committed. She have the God to call us primitive.
My prince, while you are waiting, please take this cola and keep yourself busy.
Thank you very much, Mama.
I hope you like it.
This is nice. So sweet.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Wow.
Wow.
You've been so nice today.
I know.
You really have strength to walk
like walking around.
Walking around for a long time.
Yeah, we're just exercising. It's exercise.
Nice one.
Okay. I think I have to go back right now.
Oh.
So, do take care of yourself.
Thank you very much. I really enjoyed myself today.
You're welcome. Maybe we could do this some other time. Maybe tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay. Deal.
Thank you.
Okay. See you.
Bye. Bye.
Wow. See who we have here. What happened? You've not visited for a while now like you used to. Is everything fine?
Actually, nothing happened. I've been very busy at the palace.
Okay.
It has been long he came, knowing fully well that you're not around. He chose to wait for you.
It's okay. So, how was your day?
My day will be perfect now that I've seen you. Like, for real, I thought you were angry with me, you know, because of the way I stood you up the other day.
Actually, I was not angry. Actually, I came to say that I'm sorry.
Oh.
I was not supposed to react the way I reacted.
It's okay.
Can you come with me to the palace? I've missed your company so much.
Okay. Let me just change and freshen up, okay?
It's all right. I'll be waiting.
Okay.
My fellow youths, I want to thank you all for honoring this meeting despite the short notice.
You're welcome.
I called this meeting because something bigger than cricket is about to enter the cricket hole. Okay?
We all know what happened to whosoever seen going out with an outcast. And Adako has been going out with Emeka, the outcast. Like again, because he can't do her anything. She knows that if anything happens to her now, we are the one losing.
Ibe, why are you talking like this?
Yeah? If we can't do anything to Adako, so we can't do anything to Emeka. Yeah? Something must be done to that boy now. Yeah?
Thank you. That is why I called for this meeting. My fellow youths, I need a suggestion. In that case, tomorrow morning, I want every one of us to come out. Let's go and report our case to Igwe and Ninche. That's what we do.
I agree with you.
I agree with you. That's better.
I true for you.
That's what we do.
Yeah?
Mama, what is it? Why are you looking at me like that?
Igwe and Ono summoned me yesterday. They said I should warn you to stop seeing Emeka. My daughter, Emeka is a good and humble man. But he has a bad faith. Please, you must stop seeing him before you force them into taking action against you. Ono said that you are not above punishment.
Mama, they can rant all they want. I don't care. But nobody will make me stop seeing that boy. It's not possible. Justice must prevail. If they like, they can ostracize me all they want. It's their business, but let's see who would lose. All I will do is I will come to this village and I'll just pick you up and leave this land.
This is what I don't like about you and your father. So stubborn. But you must remember that whatsoever you are today, they made you become that. So respect their tradition.
They made me become that. They made me become this. I will not hear. Really. Okay.
Iwe ne wanyo, iwe ne wanyo, iwe ne wanyo, adako imaro, iwe ne wanyo, adako imaro. Quiet, quiet. Youths of our land, to what do I owe this early morning visit with all this your chants?
Igwe, will the youth greet you? Igwe, the law of this land states that whoever that is found with an outcast shall be treated as one.
Yes.
Igwe, is that same law not applicable to Adako? Because we'll be seeing Adako with Emeka.
Let me thank you for even deeming it wise to come to me first. Thank you. That was exactly what the Ono and myself were discussing inside before your arrival. The law is applicable to everybody, no exception. That is true. But Adako occupies a very special place in our community. If we do anything to her, it's going to affect us, because for the very first time, the government is thinking of intervening in our community. And it was the help of Adako that made it like that. If we do anything, we are the ones who will be at loss. So please, allow the elders and myself to discuss it and then take care of the situation.
Igwe, since we'll be the one at loss, then let Emeka be banished.
Yes! He must be banished.
Emeka will be banished.
He must be banished. He must be banished.
Igwe, I quite agree with the youths. Let him be banished. Emeka should be banished.
It's okay. It's okay. You have all spoken well. I assure you that the only one, myself and other elders, will handle this situation to resolve this problem.
Thank you.
I have spoken. Thank you. You can go back to your various.
Greetings, my prince.
You must leave this land immediately. The youths are on their way here to banish you out of this land.
Why? Why must I leave? Why must I believe you? Besides, if you're saying the truth, I mean, you should be happy, because I will no longer pose as a threat to you where Adak is.
You should believe me or not, but you must know that Jonah and Ibe, the two village bullies of this land, are the ones leading the protests. Besides, if anything should happen to you, Adaku will never believe that I have nothing to do with it. This face does not fit a beauty like you. Please change it.
What are you doing here? You've done your best, right? But I promised that I would prove you and every other person involved in this case wrong. And I must unravel the secret behind this. I promise that.
You worry too much. Meanwhile, someone wants to see you.
Someone like... Emeka!
This is where I say goodbye. Adaku, you're a good woman. I thank you for everything. You gave me hope and a reason to live. Maybe if it is the God's will that we'll see again, maybe then I'll repay you your kindness.
Of course we would see again, Emeka. I want you to take good care of yourself. Hmm? And I promise you, I would do everything in my power to unravel the secret behind this. Okay? Okay?
You've done enough already. I appreciate it. I say thank you.
You're welcome.
If you want to choose him. He's a nice man. I believe he will make you happy. My prince, thank you for everything. You're a good man. I appreciate. Maybe someday I'll repay you.
Emeka, you have nothing to repay me. I just pray you find happiness wherever you go to.
I will. Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.
I know you miss him, but you must try to move on with your life.
Yeah. I was only thinking of him, you know, how he's faring, if he's eaten since yesterday, you know, like, I'm just worried about him.
He will be fine wherever he is. I am so sure of that. Emeka is a fighter. Only few people will survive what he passed through in this land. Come with me. My father wants to see you in the palace.
Oh, is it? Okay.
My daughter, we summoned you here because we want to know if you are prepared for that great day where you choose a man of Etiti land.
I'm ready anytime. I already told my friends and the government about it, so they'll be here on the set day.
Oh, glad to hear that.
It's meaningless, useless to even discharge anything upon both of you. Because both of you are useless, worthless. Eh? Look at, fools. We are making effort to bring development to this very land. But both of you are just as useless as anything. Don't mind that I'm keeping quiet over what both of you did to my daughter. Don't just think I will just keep quiet like that. And let me tell you, let this be the very last time both of you will do such again. What you just did, try it next time, and I will show you why I am called Ozodemba. They are like the Amokani. Ma, uni a Phoebe. Open natural long sleeve or short sleeve. Mmenyezunu oversize.
Etiti kwenu.
Yeah. Etiti kwenu. Yeah. Etiti kwenu. Yeah. Lienu. Yeah. Mwanu.
This one I welcome you all. I want to thank the gods for making it possible for me to be alive today, to witness this great day. I also thank the gods for making you to witness this day also. A great day in the history of Etiti land. But first of all, let me welcome our special guest from the government house. You are welcome, sir. This is worthy of note that the government is sending a representative for the very first time to our Etiti land. You're welcome. I will leave the other part of the ceremony for the Ezemo to conduct. Ezemo, do your thing. Dalono. Welcome.
Today, indeed, is a special day in the history of our land. May the name of the gods be praised forever. Now, may the contestants come forward. becomes the chosen one, for the gods are with him. You, come forward and lift this staff if you can. Go back. Next person. Lift the staff if you can. Go back. Come forward and lift the staff if you can. Yes. Come and lift the staff if you can. Come forward and lift the staff if you can. How dare you try to stop the process of the gods?
It's too late. You can't stop me now.
Don't touch her! Don't touch her! Don't touch her! Don't touch her! Don't touch her!
Don't touch her just like this. Don't touch her like this. Touch her like this. It's a
Don't touch her! Spirit sisters, I guess, right? This must be your doing.
Yes, this is our doing, for she has a part with us.
Can't you see it is obvious she doesn't want to go? Because she has found love amongst the living.
Her will is not for her to make, for her parts are tied with us before the creation of the world. Her will is not for her to make, for our parts are tied before the creation of the world.
Demand that you let her stay, for she is of hope to so many.
Disease, it is time for her to return to her sisters.
Great one. Who are you talking to?
Goo. Goo. Obanje, 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 forisi na mmiri, obanje, forisi na ọkụ, obanje, forisi na ọkụ bịa, obanje, obreje mama, obanje, ha na mama, obanje, 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 obanje. She is an Obanje. She is destined to die on the day of her marriage. She is a fighter though, And she has been fighting her spirit sisters to leave because she finds love amongst us.
Ezemo, is there nothing we can do to salvage the situation? You know we do not want to lose her. How can you save her? Please, save her.
I may have to consult the gods before I will be able to tell you if anything can be done to save her. That could be done.
Oh no, I keep asking, why did the governor treat us like this? He had promised that we come through our place when he's coming from Umuaja Kingdom. He don't want to see us. That is the simplest truth. Why would he go to Akolyuku through Ogidi when he knows that our land is the shortest road to Akolyuku? That is, the fact remains that he don't want to see us. He don't have us in mind. That is it.
Do you know why these people are treating us as if we are not part of this state? Well, Ono, you will prepare. On Monday, you and I will go and see him in this office.
It's all right. Igwe, let me take my leave.
Okay.
My regards to Lola.
Yes, I will tell her she's not back.
Oh, they don't want to see us. Simple. That is the simplest thing.
For 10 years, we waited for them to come, but they never came. The state government promised, but they never came. Only for the federal government to come. The gods chose to humiliate us like this. Gods of my ancestors. Why? 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 Izemo, what have the gods said about her?
Your Majesty, patience. Have patience.
Patience is one thing I do not have, Izemo.
Izemo, we all contributed to train her, and we cannot afford to lose her. We endured so much and sacrificed a lot, Izemo. Please, speak with the gods. Save her.
The patience I had at one long sleeve.
Chai, poor woman. Eh? She has really suffered these few days because of her daughter's sickness.
Which sickness? Which sickness?
I don't understand.
Don't say what you don't know. Here. You don't understand. Let me make you understand. Listen carefully. My father said that. Ezemo said that her daughter is an Obanje. Eh? Yes. So her Obanje sisters have come to take her with them. That was why she fainted that day. Oh? So don't say what you don't know.
That's really bad for her now.
Shut up, I have explained to you now. That's really bad of her. Ikui. Don't know something, you don't shut up.
Ezemo, have the gods finally spoken? Our daughter is dying.
Yes.
What did they say?
A journey has to be taken into the evil forest of Obiago. To the tree of creation. To get the seed of life. That is the only solution that the gods have provided so far. Your Majesty.
Ibe, why on earth would the king suggest that any of the youth go to the evil forest of Obiago simply because the person wants to marry Adako? Would the person marry Adako from the land of the dead?
I wonder the same thing. Come to think of it, I always suspect it that there is something about that girl. How come she's always confessing everything she involves herself into?
It is because of our Banje sisters. I know they've been helping her, yes. Think of it, yes, they do help her.
And if she dies now, that means all our money will be in vain.
Ibe, if you do not want our money to be in vain, go to evil forest of Obiago, put the seed of life and save her.
May they God forbid.
The gods will not forbid Ibe. Go there.
I can't go there.
Why? Why?
I can't.
You have to go because your money will not be in vain. You have to go.
No, I can't.
You have to go, Ibe. You have to go. You're here complaining about money being in vain.
My son, I said you are not going anywhere. Have you forgotten who you are? You're the future king of this land. And I cannot afford to risk your life for anything.
Father, I am so convinced that I will come back alive. Please, let me go and save her life.
My son, listen and listen good, Obiora. You are not going anywhere. This conversation is over and that is final.
I'm sorry, Dad. You cannot stop me from going. You can't.
Obiora!
You tread on the path forbidden by the spirit.
I tread on no path, for she and her chief have not agreed that she should die. Because the love she has for the living is stronger, much stronger than the one she has for the spirits.
Then, the vegetable she must remain.
Welcome, Ono. So how did it go?
They are bent on going to court. And they have contracted a lawyer already.
These people of Nzala Kingdom, they must be determined to take our land from us. Even when they know very well that this land is ours.
They didn't give us room to make choice whether long sleeve or short sleeve. They are giving us oversized EB. But I suggest, why don't we contact Mr. Awa?
Mr. Awa, the school headmaster?
He is the only one who can read and write among us.
I don't think that will be possible now. He has traveled with his wife. Have you forgotten their holidays?
Okwesiokwu. Then you're mad oversized EB. Hi!
Nzala Kingdom.
Igwe, did you actually sign this paper?
Yes. What is it?
Igwe, by signing this paper, you have accepted that the land belongs to Nzala Kingdom.
Hey! Ukotoriba.
And moreover, you and your people will never step foot on the land again.
Hey! Hey! But, teacher, headmaster, what you just said is different from what the lawyer said. Yes, it's not what the lawyer said.
All lawyers are liars. Huh? And you should never believe what a lawyer tells you.
Who are we going to believe? Okay, what are we supposed to do?
I suggest you build your own weapon now and use it in future to fight them. And your own weapon must be stronger than theirs.
How are we supposed to do this, headmaster?
You should find the most intelligent child in this land, contribute money monthly, train him or her to the university level so that the child will become the first graduate of this land. That's it. That's
will make a very good weapon then.
Yes, yes.
It's okay.
What you should do.
Itiajoka.
That's it. Because they are doing it. Because you are not educated. That's why they did it to you.
We created a weapon for ourselves, but the gods denied us the right to use it.
Your Highness, it is true, Adako is a big weapon, but let us create a bigger weapon. Yes, that we failed does not make us a failure. It only means we have not succeeded yet.
That's the truth. So, up till now, no youth has volunteered to go to the Obiago forest for us.
Mama, how is she?
She has been like this.
I heard no one wants to sacrifice his or her life for her. Despite all your good heart and all the sacrifice they made to see her through school. Mama, don't worry. Adaku is my friend. I, Emeka, will go to Obiago forest to get the seed of life.
My son, you will do that?
Yes. Adaku has done a lot of things for me, and I promised her that someday I will repay her.
You will do that, my son?
I will. Adaku is my friend. She gave me the reason to leave. She supported me. I promised her that someday I will repay her.
Adam.
Ezemo, please, prepare me for Obiago forest.
Yes, what is it?
Igwe, I want to go to Obiago forest and get the seed of life to save Adaku. And if I come back successfully, I would want the two guards and Ngozi to swear before the gods that I'm not guilty of what they accused me of.
You want to go to Obiago forest?
Yes, Igwe.
If that is the case, I support you. Now, if you go and come back, nothing will make them not swear before the gods.
Igwe. Emeka.
He's going to Obiago forest.
But Igwe, what happens to the witness of the two people?
That tradition is overruled now. My son,
Igwe,
go to Obiago forest and come back. Once you come back, those people will not only swear before the gods, I will also pardon you whether you are guilty or not.
Thank you, Igwe. Igwe.
Go and bring the seed of life.
Igwe.
What is it?
You will.
He's going to bring the seed of life. The government is going to intervene. Adaku, wake up. Please.
Akpọdịgo na mkpọ akpọ ya n'oge kpọọ na afọ kpọọ na-egezie okwu agbụrụ akpọdịgo n'ọnụ dịgasị wee dike tụfuo atụfuo dike mkpọzọ ka chọba dike kpọmkpọ na akpọ dike. There are few things that so many people that venture into the Obiago forest don't know, and that is why none of them has ever survived. Two things are involved. You need two things for the journey. The eye of the spirits, with which you can see them when they come to attack you. Yes. One more thing. You need a weapon to fight with. Now tell me, which weapon do you want?
My father's dengon.
Your father's dengon. You are fortified. Be courageous, for the gods are with you. Amongst the things you will see in Obiago Evil Forest, the tree of hallucination is the most dangerous. Where's the Funamban? Abajari Jana. Where's the Funamba? Abajari Jana. Rise. This is how far I can go with you. May the gods be with you.
You say, there's a more. Don't worry. I will return successfully.
I believe you. Now go.
Papa, you called me.
My daughter.
Papa.
Why I called you is to ascertain the truth. I want you to tell me the truth about the crime you accused Emeka. Is he really guilty of the crime you accuse him of?
Yeah. Papa, I don't understand what you mean by that.
You don't understand. Emeka obowale giva. Emeka obolia. Emeka opiolepio. Did Emeka actually rape you, or you are just accusing him because you want him back?
Papa, but you know I can't lie. How can I lie to you and the Igwe over such thing? You know me very well now. I don't lie. Oh.
Can you swear before the gods for it?
Swear what? Why will I swear when two of the palace guards caught him red-handed? Why do you want me to swear?
Okwa makada mama. Okwa makada mama ogwa o. For your information, Emeka returned yesterday. And not just that he returned and volunteered to go to Obiago forest to bring back the seed of life, to save the life of Adako. If he returns, that is, if he returns alive, the palace guards and you will swear before the gods. So my daughter, this is the reason I am asking you to tell me the truth. Now, I am asking you again. Did you just accuse him, or did he actually rape you?
So, Papa, what happened to the tradition of two people?
The tradition is already overruled by the Igwe.
Hey.
Human, what brings you to the territory of the spirit?
I seek for peace. Dwarf of Umumba.
You can see me, human.
Please grant me pass. And I'm only for peace.
Peace are only for the dead.
Great Dwarf of Umumba, please spare my life, and I shall speak of your kindness to the human. Mighty spirit.
In the land of the human, what do they speak of me? Speak before I devour you.
Evil, wickedness, and no compassion of human. But I told them that you're not like that. You are good, kind, and full of compassion.
Go and prove to them that I am not.
Thank you, great one.
Emeka has gone to bear the seed of life. And if he comes back with it, you know what will happen? It means we'll all die. So please, I am asking, what are we going to do?
Because you worry too much. You worry too much. Emeka is not coming back. There is no oath to swear. There's no oath.
There's no oath to swear?
Yes.
See, we better know what to do to prevent it from happening. Because
you seem not to get it. See, the forest of Obiago is not a place where one can survive. Or don't you get the name? Obiago. Which means the art of death.
Okoye?
No.
But I'm still scared. I'm still scared. Let's just be prepared in case of anything.
Relax. He's not coming back. Emeka is not coming back. Relax, Relax. Nobody. Relax.
Okay. Let's go now.
What brings you here? I came in peace. Peace is for the dead.
Amongst the things you will see in Obiago Evil Forest, the tree of hallucination is the most dangerous.
Son, I heard you refused to eat since yesterday. Why? You are still angry at me because I saved your life from destruction.
Father, please, I beg to leave your presence.
Opposino kemo kakwanunjo akwao ichuleno maya lelelelele Obiago womo alile womo amayizimi yenge me akwao akwa
You came for the seed of life to save her.
Yes. Please permit me. For she is hope of many people.
She has a part with us. Depart, for it is time for her to unite with her sisters.
No! I will not do that. I must not live here without the seed of life.
Death you seek, death you shall get.
You are welcome back, the great son of the thunder.
Thank you, great one.
Let's go. As an Amazon for number, I want you with your Buddha water. I want you with your Buddha water. Where's other for number? Where's other for number? As an Amazon for number. As an Amazon for number. I want you with your Buddha water. I want you with your Buddha water. I never know the never did it, Janana. Ever did it, Jana. Ever did it, Jana. How about you with your Buna Modu? I can't just with your Bujere Modun. I thought about you with your Buna Modun. I said, I forgot you with your Bujere Modun. Never did it, Jana. Ever did it, Jana. Magana was at the Funamba. The phone number, I do not want the phone number, and I want the phone number. Magana Jang and the Gurung and the Jango. Again, I want you to see your Buja Modern. I want you to see your Buja Modern. And I want the phone number. I do not want the phone number. Nobody is Jana. Nobody is Jana. I got to see with your Buja Modern. I want you to see with your Buna Modern. I want you to see with your Buja Modern. I got to see with your Buna Modern. I got to measure the phone number. I do not measure the phone number. I'm going to measure the phone number.
This one, eh? I'm very happy that you came today. Because I've been meaning to see you all this while. Don't just tell me that this one you came, you will not come again. Hmm? Now you have to go this.
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care.
Go, baby. Where are you taking this your beauty to?
Do I have to go to somewhere before I look beautiful?
It all depends. That reminds me, you know, that Emeka is back. Emeka the outcast. He's back, yes. He's back from the evil forest of Obiago. You don't know?
Nkechi. Don't still joke with everything.
I am not a joker. I am very, very serious. I saw him with Ezemo. And the way Ezemo was praising that boy, it's like this boy came back with the seed of life. Are you okay? Let's go. That girl, she won't stop staring.
It's not possible. It's not possible. Oh, man. It's not possible that Emeka will go to Obiago forest and return. It's not possible. Eh? Emeka cannot go to Obiago forest and return with the seed of life. Oh, man.
I heard the rumor myself. And that's why I said I should discuss with you. Anyway, what you will do now is to go to the Ezemos place to find out if it is true. Did he really come back with the seed of life?
Igwe, permit me to ask. If the rumor is true, Ezemo is supposed to come here and tell you.
Go and check.
It's all right. Let me go.
It's all right.
Okay, Igwe. Emeka, returning with seed of life. It's not possible. Ngozi! Hey! Atokwanum! Ngozi! What has she done to herself? Ngozi! Hey! Help! Ngozi! Hey! Oh, can't see you! Hey! I said, Ngozi! Hey! Somebody help! 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 Hey! Ngozi, Ngozi, why would you do this to me? Wake up! Why would you do this? Hey! Ngozi! Hey! Help! Help! Help!
My son, welcome back.
Igwe.
I promise to reward you as soon as you come back from the forest of Obiago with the seed of life, which is what I want to do today. Unfortunately, Ngozi, the Onowu's daughter, committed suicide as soon as she heard that you returned with the seed of life. And the other two guards who bore witness against you are nowhere to be found. They're actually on the run.
Yes, Emeka. Emeka, this goes a long way to prove that you were innocent of all the allegations against you. As it is now, there's nothing I can say that can make up for all the pains you went through. But I want to plead with you on behalf of the people to forgive us. In fact, especially me, forgive me.
And in fulfillment of what I have promised, with the powers conferred on me as the Igwe of Etiti, I hereby declare that you can marry Adako.
Igwe, thank you very much. I appreciate. Adako is a wonderful lady.
Oh.
I like her so much from my heart. She has pure heart of gold.
Yes.
She's every man's dream. She's so beautiful. She's so kind. She's a wonderful lady. But Igwe, I cannot marry Adako.
Huh? It's no.
For I have who I'm in love with that I want to marry. Ugochi is someone I want to marry and I'm in love with her. She gave me hope to live and she's with my child.
Ugochi.
Mas, is your daughter pregnant?
Can you go to Kobo?
Oh, Mwagi.
Emeka?
How did you?
How did you two of you meet again? How?
Ichie, destiny cannot be denied. Prince Obiora here and Adako helped me escape the angry youths. And I left Etiti, not knowing where to go or what to do then. Ugom, there's a rumor going on that Adako is a Babanje. And the only thing that will save her life is in the evil forest of Obiago.
I know about it.
How do you get to know when you've not left the house this morning?
I saw it in my dream last night. You know my dreams usually come to pass. I also saw in my dream that you went to the evil forest and you brought the seed of life that saved her life.
Are you saying I should go to the evil forest of Obiago?
Yes, my love. Go, for I know that you'll come back successfully. Yes.
Oh! So, Igwe, please, permit me. Ichie, please, I beg, permit me to marry Ugochi, your daughter. She's the one I love.
Ugochi, what is this?
Mazi, in fulfillment of what we promised, you have our permission to marry her.
Oh yes, sir.
Igwe.
The elders and myself will find another way to appreciate you for everything you have done.
Oh yes, sir. Wait, oh yes, sir. Mama, he didn't even take permission from me.
We made a joint promise.
Oh yes, sir. It's not about this one.
I have spoken. Mas, we will discuss at the palace.
I want to say a big thank you for everything you all have done for me. Starting from seeing me through school and the fact that I achieved my dream of becoming a doctor. I want to say a big thank you. I'm honestly grateful for for it all. But Igwe, permit me to make a choice of my own at my own time, because I'm kind of confused now about my choice. I'm truly grateful, Igwe.
My daughter, you may have your wish. Darling.
Igwe gwagwa m nke.
If you give me your heart, yo, it goes sweet me past sugar cane, yo. If you give me your love, yo, it goes so great me, it goes sweet me, yo. Love forget womo, kainaba. Love forget womo, kaijaba. Atotamo, kainaba. One letter, oh. Ada oh Adaku, her heart is made of gold, Adaku, the beautiful one, yo, Adaku, yo, Adaku, yo, the English peanut, yo. Mama name you Adaku. I am never surprised why you are called Adaku. The Gwenwana Mao, Imakwana to, Imakwana Bosoto, Yoko. Whenever you see her, your problem will go. Your problem is gone. You go. Mbabuli furada. Usobuga nago. Yo go. They say she be your wanje. I like him like that. They say she be mommy water. I like him like that. I like him like that, yo. Unero yibo. My English peanut, yo. Oh, my thumb. Otota. My doctor. Isi wabamo. Imaki isi nyemiyao. Nwero nwem. My doctor, oh go. Adaku, Adaku, Nwawero bine yoko, Adaku, Nwawero bioma, Adaku, the English peanut, the English peanut, Adaku, Nwawero bioma, Nwawero bimadu. Adaku, her heart is made of gold, Adaku, the beautiful one, Adaku, the English peanut, the English peanut. Itasi biakwa. Ikeneromu, I don't care. Siam. Nekuya. Okay. Go baby. Onye sowu. Ngoma. Okwunu. Yaga. Onye sowu. Ikenere. Okwunu. She don't care. Onye sowu. The village champion. Okwunu. Shake baby. Onye sowu. Onye mpahe. Okwunu. Ikatigo kweya. Onye sowu. Ngo baby. Okwunu ka. Ngo baby. If you talk about fight, yo, she know they use and play. Okay, negia, kisse choya. Okay, nyekwagia yaga. Okay, nyekwagia. Okay, situogono. She loves to shake you. I say she loves to shake you. On you kunu. If Ngozi likes you, Oga Baberugiyo. If Ngozi needs you, Oge Superugiyo. One time, Onye Super, Onye Super, Usu. Mwata nama, Ngozi baby. Onye sowu. Lenu. Okwunu kajuru ya ruwe. Okwunu ka. Onye super.